So once we select this option and click on save, when I go to the info record for that specific material, so when I now go to ME12 or ME13 for that vendor and material in that specific purchasing organization and plant, the price would be immediately updated as of this date, and the quotation number will also be automatically updated, indicating that this price is taken from that specific quotation. Like this, purchase info record price can be automatically updated from the quotation document. Okay, so you want to display the quotation, you go to MA49, MA48, enter the document number, and all the data will be in display mode, including the header text. Okay. After maintaining the quotations, now we need to do a comparison of quotations. So we go to MA49. In the SAP system, quotations are compared and ranked only on price. And for pulling out the relevant quotations, you need to enter the purchasing organization and either the quotation document number range or the collective number. Since we have already maintained collective number, enter the collective number and click on execute. And this is how the list will show, showing you the rank of the for each item and for the total document. The ranking for each item is to ensure the users can select each item from a different vendor, or if required, they can select all the items from the same vendor, right? So this is how the ranking will look. So once you're done with the comparison of quotations, now we need to create a purchase order. So creation of purchase order can be done either with reference or without reference, using the same transaction code, which is ME21N. When we go to this transaction code, again this document is also divided into three parts: header, item overview, item detail. Sorry for that. So header, item overview, item detail. The first field is the document number, then document type is the first field, document number. Next is the vendor number. The header part contains all the data common to all the items, item overview, and item detail. So to create a purchase order with reference, click on this document overview on button. Click on the selection variant button. Select the relevant option. To create it with reference to a purchase requisition, RFQ quotation, purchase order, or outline agreements. Since we have just maintained the quotations, let's take the reference to the quotation. Select request for quotation. Enter the criteria for pulling out the quotations. So since we have only 4 quotations for one purchasing organization, I'm just going to enter the purchasing organization. Based on the criteria entered, what is the maximum number of documents to be pulled out will be displayed here. For now, just leave it as it is. Click on execute and it will show me the list of all the documents meeting that criteria. So here we see each of the documents repeated 3 times, indicating that there are 3 items in each of these documents. Select the document based on which you want to create the document, create the purchase order, and click on adopt. When you click on adopt, the data already maintained in the quotation will be automatically copied. All the data will be automatically copied. So the header part, the header text, the item overview, the item detail part, everything will be automatically updated. Now the error that we are getting indicates that the controlling area which we created earlier, the control indicators does not exist. That means the controlling area is not yet activated. So this you are not going to get in the real time because the controlling area would have been activated. Just to show you that you may get this type of error, I have not activated it. So go to IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. click on execute, double click on maintain controlling area, and you'll see the list of all the controlling areas created in the server. Click on position, enter your controlling area. Select the controlling area and double click on this option, activate components and control indicators. You'll see a blank screen like this. Click on new entries, and here enter the current year, the calendar year, and save it. No need to do anything else. Now go back to ME21N and create the document. So again, click on document overview on selection variant, RFQ, enter the criteria, click on execute, select the document, click on adopt. Once the data is copied, again select the next item, click on adopt. The second item will be automatically added, or you can also select the item, drag and drop it to the shopping cart. One purchase order can be created only for one vendor. If you try to include another vendor's data here, system will give an error saying the reference vendor differs from the vendor for the document, and it will not allow you to continue further until you remove that reference material. To remove it, select that item and click on this delete button and click on yes. Okay. So once all the data from the document, the relevant document, is copied to the system, click on the messages button to see how the output, how this document will be sent to the vendor, and click on communication method to see the details, and then click on check to see if there are any errors. Okay, the status will show me the total quantity which is ordered and the total value of the document. Now, usually when we click on check, there is an additional tab which will appear called release strategy. Now, the release strategy will indicate the type of upload process. If the release strategy is not assigned and you save the document, this document can be used only for display purposes. You will not be allowed to, because the document will not be approved, the document cannot be sent out to the vendor. Okay. So once a purchase order is created, if you want to change the purchase order, you go to ME22N and make the necessary changes to that document. If this is not the document that you created, click on the other document button and search for the relevant document. Press F4 in the pop-up and enter your command to load the relevant document. So here this is the document number, and it's 723, and make the necessary changes. On the display, you go to ME23N and display the document. You want to make changes to the header text to maintain the purchase order supplement. You go to ME24, enter the document number and make the necessary changes. ME2M is list by document number. So here I can enter a range of material numbers and click on execute, and the system will show me all the purchase orders created by material number. So based on the material number, it will show me the purchase orders which have been created. Or you want to search by vendor, you go to ME2L, enter the range of vendor numbers, click on execute, and it will show me the document of the purchase orders created by vendor number. Right? Now, if I want to send this document to the vendor, ME9F, and I click on execute, it will show me the document number. Select the document and click on output message, and it is sent. Select the document, click on display message, and it will show me the document layout as designed in the SAP system. So this is again a standard layout. If you want to make changes to this layouts with your programmer at the time of initial installation, we'll make the necessary changes to the document so that the users have the document as required. Okay. So once it is sent out, end of the purchase order. To create a purchase order without reference, you again go to ME21N, select the document type, enter the vendor number, enter the relevant material numbers. So here again,